We're here today with the BYD Shark. It's one of the most talked about vehicles in the industry at the moment, and it's very topical with the EV sales starting to soar. But today is about the HSP roll-mate to suit that is out now for the BYD Shark. So let's get into all the facts and features of the HSP roll-mate and why it's perfectly designed to suit the BYD Shark. Now, the BYD is bringing a whole new demographic of ute owners into the market. It's no longer the hardcore tradie or the off-roader, it's really the everyday ute driver. It also includes your families, anyone who wants a nice, comfortable car that can do it all. But the first question they ask is, what do you do with the tub? Now that's where the HSP roll-mate comes in. It's a no-fuss, simple cover. It's removable, it's secure, it's water and dust resistant, and it integrates perfectly with the BYD Shark. So let's dive a little bit deeper. So how is it made? We've got aluminium slats and a vinyl bonded on top. It's flexible enough to roll, but it is fully secure and you can't cut through. So now we're talking about the side rails. Now, these are perfectly profile cut, specifically designed to suit the BYD Shark. It's very similar to how we actually do it on our electric roll tops. Now, why that's important is you don't have these big bulky side rails. You have a nice sleek and OEM grade finish to suit the beautiful BYD Shark. Now that it's closed, how do we actually open it up? You have to open your tailgate, because the only way to open your roll-mate is through this latch underneath. And as we roll it back onto itself, you'll notice that we actually have some pads on the top here, and these are our heat resistant pads. So on those nice big summer days, you can operate your roll-mate nice and easy without touching the aluminium slats. Once it is in its open position, we have some nice straps that simply go over the edge, tighten it down, and you can then drive with it open. So the roll-mate can be fully closed, it can be fully open, or as I mentioned in that intro, you can fully remove it, which we'll get to shortly. So that it has full versatility for whatever you want to do with your tub, it can handle it. Now that we've spoken about how it actually works, let's talk about its security in detail. Now, I've mentioned a few quick things previously in the video, but let's go into them one more time. The first thing we want to talk about, no external locks. So there's no way to pry open or pull it open from the cover when it is in its fully closed position. And that's because the handle is underneath, as I mentioned before. So that's the first layer of security. The next thing you have is the aluminium slats, so you can't cut through, which we've already gone through. But the really cool feature we want to talk about is our dual rail quick lock. Now that is when the curtain is in its closed position. It hits this latch on the end there, and the teeth actually grab the whole way down the side rail to keep that cover nice and secure. So it's ensuring that when you have heaps of gear inside, even though it is a soft cover, and it is fully secure to keep your gear nice and safe. Even though we have all of those security features, you still maintain a really sleek and clean look and keeping all of your gear inside the tub nice and secure. Now, the roll-mate is designed for a daily use. So whether you're running to the supermarket, dropping your kids off at school, going camping, forward driving, whatever it is, the roll-mate is designed to suit. Here you can see we've got all of our gear ready to go away camping, but it is designed for the everyday. And one thing that's really important, no matter where you are in Australia, is how it handles water and dust. The first thing I want to talk about is the magnetic strips. Now they run on the side rail of the roll-mate as well as on the curtain itself. So when that rolls down on itself, it creates a really nice water barrier. The next thing is the C channel. Now that runs on the inside of the channel as well and runs the full width to allow for water not to come over the top. And the last thing is when the curtain is actually closed, you have a really nice seal of rubber that goes off the edge here to have that third point of contact. And that really helps with all of the dust and water resistance. Now, no cover is 100% waterproof, but we do everything in our power to make it as waterproof as possible. Now, quickly wanted to mention that you will see a T-channel on the edge of the side rail. Now, this is something that's uniform across all of our models, but on the BYD Shark, it is not designed to suit sailplanes and sports bars or crossbars or ladder racks because the roll-mate is not load-bearing. Now let's jump into something that sets the roll-mate apart from all of the other manual covers on the market, and that is that it is fully removable. So there is no canister and you don't lose space underneath. And if you want to put in dirt bikes, if you want to put in tip runs or put in a giant fridge when you're moving house, this cover can come straight off. And let me show you how to do it. Now the first thing you have to do is come underneath, and on both sides there are some small screws that you simply unscrew and push a little bit forward. Then allows the cover to come straight off. Then you have full access to your tub with no canister, no curtain, and that is easy to put in the tub, leave it at home. It's not a traditional fiberglass lid that might chip or paint because the curtain is strong and durable to leave wherever you like, whenever you like. Now, how can you get it installed? You have two options. The first is, of course, any HSP stockist can do this one for you, or it is actually quite DIY friendly. We use an assortment of clamps and factory points to mount the roll mate, and there's some minor drilling, but of course there's no wiring because it's a manual cover. So those are the two options you have to get it installed. Let's do a quick recap. The HSP roll mate, it is fully secure. It's got profile cut side rails, perfectly designed to the BYD Shark. It's water and dust resistant, and of course the cover is fully removable. So that is the HSP roll mate that is out now for the BYD Shark. If you want to get in contact, give us a call at 1300 441 498. You can learn more on our website, www.hsplids.com. You can find a list of our stockists on our website as well. Of course, visit us on our socials at HSP4x4 or leave us a comment in this video.